Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, our favorite family is back on our screens. Izingane Zesthembu is back with a new season, you guys. And listen, everyone is looking so good. The wardrobes, guys, the makeup, the hair, everyone is looking good. Now, guys, after the first episode, now I'm confused. I really don't know what game Tirelo and Umpumelelo are playing at, because when us nested siya pretendana lana, I am certain ukuthi she was probably speaking about Tirelo ben Umpumelelo. Okay, she wasn't, but in this case, I just feel like, guys, there's something not matching. Now, remember when the trailer for Izingane Zesthembu first came out? Few days before that, Tirelo ben Umpumelelo are out and about, grooving, enjoying themselves, having the time of their lives. I'm just like, there's something that's not matching. Either number one, Tirelo is coming on this season with the mindset ukuthi I've realized ukuthi my man is like this and I need to exit this relationship, whereas behind doors she's not thinking of exiting the relationship. Or either number two, ngempela ugirl has realized ukuthi when she told Uvuyekazi to choose herself and love herself, she never really thought ukuthi that would be her, that those words actually, she needs to say those words to herself. Because in this first episode, guys, we see Tirelo, she's out and about with her friend, and even the friend, I'm just like, there's something I'm not getting. The friend says ukuthi she met Tirelo through Umpumelelo, but Tirelo says ukuthi she met Ugeli through some restaurant or something like that. I'm like, which one is which one? Phela sesiyasaba lana, because we know Umpumelelo and the Vicky situation, which Umpumelelo doesn't play with people's friends, you guys. But anyway, that does seem to be a solid friendship. So you know what? I'm going to trust Uti, like Umpumelelo did not, or the girl is not going to do Tirelo anything, or she's not going to do her bad by marrying Umpumelelo. But anyway, Tirelo says, ukuthi, listen, the only thing she needs to do is just to relieve that relationship. She says, ukuthi, she's realized ukuthi guy is disrespectful. She sees her life without him. She is back at school. And Tontoni, guys, now I don't know. I just am not buying it. I just feel like she is doing all of this for content's sake. But then I also saw her crying in a diary session, and I'm like, okay, maybe she's coming to a realization ukuthi yay, Umpumelelo, well, I don't know, uzodlala ngawe. She also does say ukuthi she's mourning. No, she doesn't say she's mourning, but she does say ukuthi she lost the old Tirelo. I'm like, Tirelo, remember you said to Uvuyo ukuthi choose yourself and love yourself. Now who's saying ukuthi you're mourning your old self? Hi, guys. And then the friend also goes on to say, Tirelo, even if the love lungaphela in that relationship, uzolivuselela, guys. And that's how I'm just like, I don't see no hope here. Let's wait for the season to continue playing out, because I did also see Tirelo after the episode played. She put a picture of herself and then some sort of quote to say, Uti, stop praising me for being strong. I'm tired of being strong. I'm wounded. I'm watched. I'm like, Tina asaz, guys. Asaz, sizowana phambili, but I don't see Ugel leaving anytime soon. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. You tell me, what was your thoughts on episode 1? I am ecstatic for this season because it looks like it's going to come with drama. As Umpumelelo looks like he's going to be taking another virgin, but there's another girl in the picture, you guys. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.